We've identified it as case number ZBA -07-2015. This is a request that's been filed by John Pfeiffer for an appeal regarding a special use permit that was granted to Mr. Cotter, who owns a property at 220 North Kinney Street, to convert that to a duplex. We have our city attorney on staff with us this evening. We're going to let him kind of guide us through this case, giving it somewhat unique from what the board's been familiar with over the past couple of years. So this time, Mr. Smith.
Thank you. Is the applicant present? And please come forward. Do we have any questions? Deepak?
So the contention of the appeal is that the Planning Commission did not follow its procedures in addressing some of the criteria?
It did not follow them. Any other questions, Mr. Smith?
Yeah, I do have a question. When you look at the criterion in which the Planning Commission was supposed to make a decision on, none of those actually appear in the minutes.
If I were sitting with the Planning Commission, I would have asked them to walk through findings of fact that addressed each of the criteria, but that didn't happen. Another decision you have to make is there are criteria that must be met in the filing of the appeal itself. One, the appellant has to be an aggrieved party.
One more final clarification, if I may, on what an aggrieved party is, and that is someone or a party that has sustained actual losses or damages that have evidentiary proof. Isn't that right?
I'll just read the definition. That party must have suffered a substantial damage which is not common to other property owners similarly situated.
Mr. Orlick?
To start off, I think, in consequence, when you look at the definition of an aggrieved party, I have to, under that definition, conclude, based on the record.
Like the Bellingers, I suppose, and perhaps someone else I heard of tonight, got the message that this property at 220 North Kinney was going to, was seeking a special use permit to allow a duplex.
My name is Mrs. Dick Bellinger, and our address is 217 North Kinney, which just happens to be just across the street from the subject property.
That didn't happen.
That the appellant, Mr. Pfeiffer, is not an aggrieved party, and because of that, I would move to affirm the Planning Commission's decision because of that fact.
I'll second.
All those in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? It's carried. I guess that fix is already in, isn't it?